Hello, in our second lesson we have started the second lesson, and in the last session we have studied some infectious disease like TB, typhoid, cholera. Okay, so there is activity. Complete the table. Prepare similar table of information about various disease like enteritis, malaria, plague, and AIDS. Okay, so you have to make a table just like this table, and we have to write the information. So search it from internet and complete that table. Okay, then observe and discuss. So here one picture is shown, dirtiness in the surrounding. So all of we know that many time dirt is there around our in our surrounding, around our house, and it can also lead to various diseases. So here mosquito is shown. Okay, and this mosquito is also responsible for many diseases. Okay, so that is shown by this picture. Where do you see the waterlogged material shown in the picture? So here you can see a flower pot is there, flower vase which contain water, so that will also act like a breeding ground for mosquito. Then there is a tin containing water. Then there are tires. So tires also they contain water. Okay, many time rainwater fall in that tire, and that also help to breed these mosquitoes. Then there is another pot which also contain water. Then there are some garbage is there. Okay, so these are the various places where these mosquitoes can breed and cause many diseases to human beings. Which hazards do you anticipate with the help of picture? So which health hazards will be there? These pictures are showing. So if there is a waterlogged condition around our house, these mosquitoes can spread in that area, and they cause various disease like dengue, malaria, etc. Okay, so that these are the health hazards which spread due to these conditions. Okay, so some important diseases of present day. So we have to study some diseases which are there nowadays. So let us see. Can you tell how can we observe personal hygiene? So we should keep our surrounding clean, especially in rainy season. We should take care that water will not get stored in any pot or like that, because they will give rise to spread of mosquitoes. Then we should also follow personal hygiene. Then second, why should we drink boiled water in the rainy season? So as we know that especially in rainy season, the water may contain many pathogens. Pathogen means microorganisms like bacteria and viruses which cause diseases. Okay, so in rainy season, what many microorganisms, pathogens like bacteria which causes diseases like so many diseases are there. There's a jaundice, hepatitis, Latin for it as a cavill. So if we happen to drink such a contaminated water containing microorganisms, we will also get infected by diseases. So we drink that water for at least 20 minutes. Then that will clean that will kill almost all the diseases. Disease causing microorganism. Then why the clean hands drive is run in the school? So many times our hands may contain many microorganism or pathogens which can cause the diseases. So we should always clean the hands. That's why there is a clean hands drive. So the first disease that is nowadays it is very prevalent in rainy season, that is dengue. Okay, so let us see this dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in waterlogged places, and thereby their population increases. So especially in rainy season, when there are waterlogged places, means where there stagnant water, stored water is there. In that on that water mosquitoes lay eggs, and these mosquitoes cause many diseases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. So this disease dengue, it is spread by mosquito called as Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by Den12 virus belonging to the type flavirus. Okay, so actually this is a viral disease, means it is caused by a virus. What is the name of that virus? Den12. So dengue, from that den. So the name of that virus is Den12. So due to this virus there is a dengue, but actually this virus is spread by a mosquito called as Aedes aegypti. Okay, so we have to take a precaution that this type of mosquitoes will be not there in our surrounding. So what are the symptoms? First one, symptoms in Marathi lakshan. Okay, so what are the symptoms? First one, acute fever and headache and vomiting. So there may be acute fever or headache will be there, vomiting will be there, pains in eye socket. Okay, so there is a paining in eye socket, so that is very prominent symptom, means majority of the cases there is a pains in eye socket. So if there is a pain in eye socket, there may be a dengue. Then decrease in platelet count, that may lead to internal hemorrhage, means bleeding will be there inside the body. So decrease in a platelets are the that is the part of our blood. So the platelets will decrease and there may be a internal bleeding. Okay, hemorrhage means bleeding. Okay, so these are the symptoms. So if there is acute fever, headache, vomiting, then pain in eye socket, then there is a possibility of dengue. Okay, then here the picture is shown, and how can we prevent the these reasons and preventive measures. Okay, so what are the reasons? First of all, this disease is spread due to mosquito Aedes aegypti, and if there is a stored water or waterlogged places around our house, this Aedes aegypti mosquito will lay eggs, and subsequently these mosquitoes will bite us and we will get the disease. Okay, so how can we prevent? So to prevent this dengue, we have to prevent the spread of this mosquito, means we have to follow the preventive measures which will stop the spread of this mosquito Aedes aegypti. So how can we prevent? We have to wear the clothes which will fully cover our body, so no mosquito bite will be there. Then you might have seen corporation spread the, there will be insecticide are sprayed in our area, smoke is sprayed which will kill these eggs of this mosquito or this mosquito. Then we can burn the mosquito coil. Then we have to cover the pots which contain water, otherwise in the fresh water this Aedes aegypti will lay eggs. Okay, so likewise, then many times in our house, in the fridge there is a bucket which have this water, so we have to throw away that water and make it dry, so that these eggs are not laid by the this Aedes aegypti mosquito. Understood? So what are the symptoms of this disease? Acute fever, headache and vomiting. Then there are pains in our eye socket, and there is a decrease in the platelet of our blood, and there is internal bleeding also there. These are the symptoms. Okay, then how can we prevent? We should take ensure that no water logging is there around our house. For example, many time there are pots for planting the plants, so there may be a deposition of water, rainwater for example, so that leads to spread of this mosquito. Then there are tires, or sometimes some pots are there, so that also contain water. So in that water this mosquito lay eggs, and there is a spread of this mosquito, due to which there is a dengue disease. So how can we prevent? We have to cover our body fully with the clothes. Then we have to use the mosquito coil. Then we have to ensure that no water logging is there around our house or inside our house also there. We have to check that there are some open pots which contain water. Then we have to spray insecticide which will kill this mosquito eggs and mosquito. Okay, so in exam there will be a question, which are the symptoms of this dengue, how can we prevent? So like this we have to write. Okay, then this dengue disease is caused by which virus? Den 1-2, and it is spread by which mosquito? Aedes aegypti. Okay, so likewise in the exam question will be there. Then the second disease is swine flu. Okay, so reasons of infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. So this is spread by through pigs and humans. Viruses of swine flu are spread through sweat of infected person. Similarly, it is spread through the secretion of nose, throat and saliva. So like this coronavirus, this swine flu is also spread through the secretion of nose, throat and saliva. So what are the symptoms? Difficulty in breathing. Okay, so as it is a respiratory disease, the virus infect our respiratory system, there is difficulty in breathing. Then there is a sore throat. Okay, throat becomes sore and there is a pain in the sore, and body pains are also there. Okay, so likewise the symptoms are there. So diagnosis of swine flu. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from throat of patient is sent in laboratory. Diagnostic facilities are available in National Institute of Virology, Pune. Okay, so likewise by taking the liquid from your throat like corona, doctor can find out that whether there is a swine flu. Okay, so thus again, then first case of swine flu was reported in Mexico in 2009. Swine flu is caused by virus H1N1. Person who come in contact with pigs can contract this disease. So it was first observed in 2009. Okay, nowadays also especially in rainy season, this swine flu is there. Okay, then next one is AIDS or acquired immunity deficiency syndrome. This disease is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of the natural immunity. So if there is AIDS, our immunity, that is disease resistant capacity of the body, goes on decreasing. Okay, diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratories. ELISA test is used for proper diagnosis. So one test is there, that is ELISA test, and by that test we confirm whether there is a AIDS is there in the patient's body. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. So as I have told, there is a decrease in the immunity, means our disease resistance power is decreased. So if the person is strong, its health is good, then symptoms will be less. But if person is weak and his immunity is less, so consequently person can die. Okay, AIDS does not occur due to touching and